Welcome back to our Disney Cruise Line room tour series. We've been exploring the most frequently booked rooms aboard Disney Cruise Line's original ship, the Magic. This ship is a great value and a good place to start when considering sailing with Disney Cruise Line. Hi, I'm Erin with the Vacationeer, and today we're taking a look at the Deluxe Interior stateroom aboard the Disney Magic. These staterooms can be found on decks 1 and 2 with easy access to restaurants and nightlife, or on decks 5, 6, and 7 for a prime upper deck experience. This stateroom is a great mix of comfort, convenience, and a little extra space. This particular category is the best price for a family of 4 looking for an all-inclusive getaway. So let's dive into the details. Right away, you'll notice that this stateroom offers more square footage than a standard inside stateroom, giving you extra space to spread out and relax. And we get an extra special treat today because this family ordered a fun Halloween-themed decor package for their room. This is a perfect way to celebrate the Halloween on the High Seas experience that Disney hosts every year. These staterooms are designed to sleep up to 4 guests. The queen-size bed comes with a premium Eurotop mattress and 300 thread count linens, making every night feel like a dream. For your littles, there's a single sleeper sofa, and if needed, an upper berth pull-down bed. Disney's clever design ensures that every guest has a comfortable place to rest after a fun-filled day on board. Let's check out Disney's signature split bath design. You get a bathroom with a vanity, sink, shower, and tub, plus a half bathroom with another vanity, sink, and a toilet. This is so convenient when multiple people are trying to get ready at once. Storage is never an issue here. The elevated wooded bed frame gives you plenty of space underneath for suitcases, and the ample drawer and closet space make it easy to keep everything organized. This stateroom really is about thoughtful design. There's a comfy sitting area with a couch, a desk/vanity area for working and getting ready, and a 28-inch TV that's great for unwinding while watching your favorite Disney movie. You'll also have all the essential amenities: a mini fridge for your drinks, an in-room safe, and a hairdryer. And don't forget that Wi-Fi packages are available at an additional cost. Thoughtful touches make this affordable deluxe interior stateroom on the Disney Magic the perfect retreat for a family of 4. But if you are still considering other stateroom options on a Disney cruise, be sure to check out our room tours playlist. To help us continue to bring great Disney Cruise Line content your way, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. And when you're ready to book your Disney Cruise Line vacation, connect with the Vacationeer for complimentary onboard credit and expert vacation planning services. Get started at vacationeer.com/YouTube. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you again real soon.